welcome back to my YouTube channel. To fight these last winter days that we still have ahead until spring, I built 8 outfits with the most trendy of the colors, red, which is also a classic color present in every woman's wardrobe through the times, but sometimes and many times associated with fancy events and fancy clothes like gown dresses. So if you want to know how to incorporate this bold color into your everyday and casual outfits, keep on watching this video. And without further ado, let's get started. So for this first outfit I opted to pair this dark red with grey, and so I'm wearing my Betty cardigan in this burgundy color and a pair of grey denim jeans and a grey bomber jacket. The belt is the Livy belt, also from Sezane, and my necklace is from Biwako. Now I opted for a bright red in this Gaspard cardigan and paired with the Calcedonia tights also in red, a great trend this season. So I'm wearing this light grey blazer, a pair of grey jeans and my Alban loafers in black. Really comfortable outfit. For this third outfit I opted for navy blue and bright red, and so I'm wearing a total navy base and also a navy blazer, and accessorized with a silk scarf with these pops of red and also my red bag from Lancaster. My shoes are also red, are these ballerinas, these Mary Janes, and they are from a Portuguese brand called Josefinas. They are handmade and amazing quality. Here I went again for the Burgundy Betty with burgundy socks to match, and my blazer from Sezane in wool, in brown and also with burgundy accents. My shoes are black and they are from Carel. They are very incredibly beautiful. To contrast, I opted for a pair of blue denim jeans. Here, an outfit perfect for spring since in these lighter shades. Wearing my Betty cardigan in ecru with the Gaspard over my shoulders, and if it's too hot, you just have to tie it on your bag. My bag is also from Sezane and my jeans are from Zara. Also in a light blue, perfect for spring. A pair of red Slingbacks ties everything together. In this outfit I went for a total black base and wearing my silk scarf again with pops of red, my trench coat, this is the Scott trench coat also from Sezane in Camel, and my bag to tie with my silk scarf. These accents in red brighten up this otherwise dull outfit. Like that, your bag won't fall. The Burgundy Betty pairs in perfection with the camel of the trench coat. My jeans are the Lawrence from Sezane, and I'm wearing Paola Babis also in burgundy. In this outfit I'm wearing a truly classic, perfect office outfit, wearing my grey wool trousers from Sezane and with everything burgundy, from the Betty cardigan to the belt, socks and also my Paola Babis. To do a kind of a contrast, I went with my smooth leather Milo bag in ecru. Last but not least, this really casual outfit, wearing my marinière in ecru with burgundy stripes, a pair of grey denim jeans and my blazer in wool, also from Sezane, the same blazer. I like to roll up my sleeves and a cap in wool grey to kind of finish this outfit in perfection. I tie this cotton scarf in my bag. This scarf is also from Sezane, and a pair of camel boots ties everything together. Perfect outfit for a Sunday. And this is the last outfit of today's video. I hope you could find some good inspiration. I think I've put together 9 outfits, so let me know in the description box which one was your favorite, which one you liked the most, or which ones. I hope several of them. And don't forget, give it a like in today's video and share with a friend. You are going to help me. You don't even imagine how much. I really appreciate, because the more people watch my videos, the more the algorithm will spread my videos through the community, the more I can continue doing these videos for you. I love doing this, and I would love to keep and continue doing these videos for you. So don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you all here and do part of this amazing community. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon on my next one. Bye bye!